Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everybody. Hi, Farina. Good morning. All right, so we have got a lot of people coming in here. Hi, Mokshita. Good morning. Hi, Smriti. Good morning. Hi, Sandeep. Good morning. Hi, Miniti. Good morning. Akansha. Good morning. Hi, Shruti. Good morning. So, how are you all doing? Hi, Menaka. Good morning. I guess we'll take a little more time and then we'll start. Hi, Souvik. Good morning. Sonali, good morning. Good morning, Vinita. Hi, Ramya. Good morning. Hi, Neetu. Good morning. Hey, Amit. Hi. Good morning. So we'll take another minute and then we'll start. So, how is the weather there? We have a nice, pleasant weather here in Bangalore. Thank you. I'm doing great. Revati. All right. So let's start today's, session. Great. So Ranchi is also pleasant. I know it's a pleasant wear, for past couple of days. So less summery for sure. Hey Anusha, hi, good morning. Sanjeev, good morning. So all right, we'll start now. So welcome to this episode of Heart to Heart Talk series by Reskill Nation, and would like to welcome all of you. And to give you a little introduction about myself, I'm Shubhra, mother of two beautiful kids, 6 and 9, and I'm married to a wonderful person. His name is Vikas. So Vikas is working into IT for past, couple of years, and we as a family settled here in Bangalore. Uh, and I am born and brought up in Jabalpur. तो शायद आपने जबलपुर का भी नाम सुना होगा. इट्स इन मध्य प्रदेश. इसको संस्कार धानी या मार्बल सिटी भी कहते हैं. And I really love my hometown for sure. And after finishing my masters in biochemistry from Jabalpur, I started my career into academics as assistant professor. Worked for around good 4 years, and it was a great experience. For those 4 years, learned a lot of things. And today my topic will revolve around parents, something which all of us are really attached to, which is really close to our heart. And the topic says a chance to give back, enriching the life of parents. And I truly mean it. I was just going through one quote, and it says, "We don't know the love of parent till we become parents ourselves." Isn't it true? So I'll give you a brief, you know, background. So my dad, he was working into with government organization, and my mom has always been a homemaker. And growing up, the entire focus was on studies. So all three of us siblings, we really worked hard, studied well, and at the same time, I also observed my dad and mom making a lot of sacrifice, which usually parents do, and with their great heart, and making those right choices. So our childhood is well provided of. So I had an amazing childhood, and growing up, बचपन से ही देखा घर पे दादा दादी का रहना, एंड इट वॉज अ ग्रेट इन्फ्लुएंस बीइंग विद देम. और मम्मी पापा को हमेशा देखा दादा दादी के साथ में रहते हुए अच्छे टाइम में, और जब उनको वाकई ज़रूरत थी, तब मम्मी पापा को देखा उनकी मदद करते हुए, हर वक्त उनसे बात करते हुए. एंड बीइंग अ एल्डेस्ट चाइल्ड इन द फैमिली, आई ऑल्सो पिक्ड अप when I was really young, that I also wanted to be there with my parents, whenever they need me. And this is what the culture, I have been brought up with. And eventually, being the eldest, obviously, once you are grown up enough, and the new life starts, and that's when I got married to Vikas, and married to an amazing family. So I'm blessed with amazing set of parents, both the sides, and it has been a great encouragement from both the parents. They have always allowed me, loved me to do whatever I wanted to do. And but once you get married, being a eldest child, that to a daughter, you always wanted to support your family, not just in terms of finances, but growing up, when I saw that, I always wanted to be with them. And that's when you get married, you have a new family, you have a new culture, you have new experiences. And with growing family responsibilities, after my marriage, I quit my job and came to Bangalore. And I had two options there, either to work in a 9 to 6 profession, or I always wanted to pursue my research career, or I also had an option wherein I can do something of my own. But with growing responsibilities, as you know, when kids came in, with both the kids, I wanted to be there at home. But that deep desire to be financially independent has always been there. And many a times, this daughter's dilemma you might have heard about, that once you get married, I was blessed to have been able to have that freedom to support my family back then. Though I had my siblings working and supporting my parents, but I wanted to contribute from my side. And eventually, when you're not earning, and when you have nothing in your hand, you always wanted to do something so that you can always give back, not just in terms of finances again, but also in terms of time, or fulfilling those small desires, when I saw my parents sacrificing it so that they can have that little happiness. So I had that choice, but many a times I see in and around that even if a lady is financially independent, to spend money for her parents sometimes become a constraint, maybe because of the culture, or maybe because of the financial responsibilities in the present house. And that's the struggle for sure. And eventually, the same way, when you're working, your 9 to 6 is obviously accountable for, and taking the leaves, taking time out whenever your parents needing it sometimes gets challenging. And looking at those constraints, I was definitely searching for something wherein I can do something from home, being there at home, being productive, and also have that freedom to help and support my family back there at home. And that's when there is a saying that when a student is ready, teacher appears, isn't it? And that's when happened. By scrolling through, exploring a lot of options, I got to know this amazing platform, Reskill Nation. And by learning the high value skills of Reskill Nation, platform, and implementing these skills, high value skills diligently, uh, completely transformed my personal life as well as my endeavor. It has given me an option to work on social media, being at home, at the comfort of my home. And to my surprise, the course was free. But anything which is free will not make you successful until and unless you apply them diligently. So believe me, the learning the right skills which matter the most in current times give me that opportunity, that platform wherein you I can rediscover myself, I can understand, and I can implement them in the right way. And definitely they have rewarded me handsomely, finances wise. And I take a real pride in it, because this has given me that opportunity where I had to be there with my parents for about a month and more, without worrying about pay cuts, without worrying about leaves. I was there with them, and that gave me an immense satisfaction, because when they needed me, I could give back, I could give them that confidence, and being there definitely boosts their confidence also. And I'm blessed to be able to do that. Many a times, don't you think that financial independence is not just sufficient? Definitely, there is a security for sure. You feel proud of it, but along with it, many a times also your parents may not be needing that financial support from your side. It could be just your presence, it could be spending time with them, or fulfilling their small desires. Maybe there's some travel plans, or something materialistic which can give them a little happiness, though they never look forward for it, because they always wanted is our happiness. But giving back to them is what it was so satisfying. And I can't thank Reskill Nation's platform enough. Because of this, my journey from a simple mom, to a mompreneur became really amazing, and it was a great experience. And you know what, the same opportunity lies for all of you there. And if you are somebody who's looking to expand your vision, looking to do something to have your identity, this is the platform wherein you can learn the high value skill, but applying them diligently will make sure that we become successful. The best part was, you have somebody to hold your hand, you have somebody to guide you, and that coaching and mentorship you also get there. So this is what I had to share today. And believe me, this platform has been changing lives tremendously for the last you might have seen in a couple of more videos. So no matter, doesn't matter from which background you come from, doesn't matter you are a homemaker or you are a working professional, but if you are somebody who is looking to do something, create an influence for yourself and transform your family's life, this could be an amazing platform wherein you can learn the high value skills. And the good news is, I'm super excited that we are going to have the next batch starting today. And if you really go through this video and find it out impressive and you like it, do join in and see that how magically it can affect your life. So this is what I had to share. I hope I added value. Giving back to your parents, not just in terms of finances, but also in terms of time, without worrying about the other responsibilities, gives you a tremendous pleasure. And I've been a true testimonial of that, and would like to thank Reskill Nation platform for giving me this beautiful opportunity to share my experience. And I hope I added the value. And this is what I had to share today. And with this, I'm Shubhra here, signing off, and see you all in the next week with one more inspirational story and one more life-changing event. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend ahead. And okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much.